Good afternoon, friends from overseas, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Distinguished guests, partners, industry colleagues, and friends, we take great pleasure in welcoming you all to the launch of Revroy Private Limited. It is a great honor for Revroy, and your presence for the launch this evening reflects the importance that each one of you attach to the growth, development, and success of Revroy. The launch this evening is a culmination of our efforts put in over a period of time in selecting the right partners, quality of the products, and the type of systems we made available in a manner that is most desirable to the market and especially to our customers. The management of Revroy has a cumulative experience of over 100 years in the field of security and fire. Our director, Ravishankar Thandavan, who has been working closely with the industry for almost 3 decades in implementing projects of national and international importance. Ravi has been at the forefront of the entrance automation sector by implementing projects for tollways, dedicated corridors, refineries, corporate offices, technology parks, airport boarding gates, parking solutions, high security installations, and many more installations. With his experience and innovative ideas, Revroy has brought to India the state-of-the-art equipment to make the entrance automation sector very exciting. Now I invite our director, Ravishankar Thandavan, to give insight into Revroy. Ravi, over to you.
Good evening and thank you, Liaquat. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, Fabio, Zubair, and Yulia from Europe. Thank you, folks, for joining. Good evening, Anwar, Arif, and our very distinguished participants this evening. It is an honor and a day of celebration for my team and I at Revroy. What started as an idea a few years ago has today come true. What is even more heartening is that I have you all here celebrating the birth of brand Revroy. The video we have put together will explain to you what we are and how we intend to transform business to enduring partnerships. I personally have dreamed of wanting to create a business that steps way beyond the crease. In cricket, it may be called a no ball, but here in business, it certainly won't be one. For isn't it an aspiration for every customer to find his vendor who is close to him? Closer in partnership, closer in understanding, closer in accommodating, closer in bonding. And that, in my view, friends, is an enduring partnership. Most of you may know me for over a few decades now. I've always wanted to be that partner who is cherished. I may not have been successful with every customer, but I tried. And the fire in me to do even better is burning even more brighter. I may have been like a firefly. Now you see me and then you don't. I know you all have wondered why. Several of you also know the reason behind it. Friends, time is not always in stride with everyone all the time. And I guess it was so with me as well. With my dear friend Khan, I'm now seizing this opportunity and putting all that I have in me. I'm extending the very best in me. I'm looking forward to collaborate with you like never before. I want to be your best partner. I know I can and will be your most endearing partner because now I have the strength and the resolve. With fire in my belly, passion in my heart, and a prayer of gratitude in my lips, I set forth in my journey to reach you. I have my hand extended, and I know I can count on yours. Let's together aspire for the best. Thank you, and see you soon. Let's show what we are Let the world know we are coming.
Wherever there is movement of people or vehicles, the present-day challenge is to control their movement, bring in discipline, and enhance security. It is exactly this activity that we at Revroy wish to support by delivering products and solutions that will cater to just this one objective in the most endearing manner. We have set up a manufacturing plant in Bommusandra Industrial Estate, Bengaluru, where we are going to be indigenizing various components and will undertake manufacture and assembly of bollards, spikes, road blockers, vehicle barriers, door frame metal detectors, and such other complementing products. At Revroy, we have over 100 years of cumulative experience in production planning and sales and marketing. Our founder director has over 2 decades of experience in the entrance automation industry with profound understanding of various products and their applications. This domain knowledge of the products and the nuances of their design, manufacture, supply, installation, testing, commissioning, and training will directly have a positive impact on the support that our customers, from system integrators to end users, will receive. We are set to make a difference in the entrance automation ecosystem. For controlling pedestrian movement, we exclusively bring to you from PERCo Russia, a company in existence for over 3 decades, a range of speed gates, turnstiles, handicap gates, and access control solution. The confidence of its quality is demonstrated by the unmatched 5-year warranty that PERCo offers on its products. We at Revroy are trained to install, commission, service, and provide warranty support for the PERCo products. TESi from Italy, yet another company, has partnered with Revroy to offer interesting, unique, and exquisitely designed glass door solutions, high security tube styles, and people counting solutions for crowd control and management. TESi offers uniquely designed sliding doors that could swing open for emergency exit and interesting designs to cater to varied applications, especially where space is a challenge. TESi also supports architects and structural engineers with its modular paneling solution for construction of spaces that must be designed for protection against threats meeting highest European standards. For enhanced protection of people and property, we at Revroy also offer a range of scanning solutions like handheld and door frame metal detectors and baggage scanners for securing facilities. Revroy offers products for vehicular traffic management as well. We offer a range of boom barriers, bollards, both active and passive, road blockers, and spikes, especially for facilities that demand a very high deterrent for their secured premises. Last but not the least, our specialty solutions also comprise of parking management and guidance solution. For commercial establishments like malls and public parking facilities, the parking management system will aid in collecting parking fees for vehicles, thus helping our clients generate revenue efficiently. Automatic license plate recognition feature may also be integrated and offered to deliver a secure, strong, and a foolproof parking mechanism. Complementing this, we also offer the parking guidance system, to companies that are constantly working to consistently improve productivity so as to deliver projects that can comply to green standards by reducing their carbon footprint. This solution provides information of available empty parking spaces for car drivers to instantly identify them, thus reducing the burning of fossil fuel. At Revroy, we not only deliver reliability through fair means, we also deliver fairness that builds our reliability. We are here to set benchmarks for ourselves to constantly improve, excel, and also enhance the quality of products, sales process, post-sales and warranty support. In fact, we will address the entire purchase process for our clients and make it a delightful and a pleasing experience. We encourage you to aspire for the best and embrace the family of Revroy. Finest from the very best from around the world.
I hope that would have explained our commitment and a promise to our customers and given a peek into the range of products that we bring to the market here in India. I now request upon our Director Manufacturing, Mr. Arif Pasha, to say a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Your presence in such a large number for the launch of Revroy is very encouraging. And we thank you for the time you have taken for this launch. Our resolve to make a difference in our approach to partner with you has been communicated by Mr. Ravi Shankar Tandavan in a profound manner. Our video, I'm sure, has presented our portfolio and capabilities clearly to you. As the Director Manufacturing at Revroy, I just want to say that we have carved out around 2,500 square feet for entrance automachine products manufacturing, where we'll put to use the best of machineries and tools so as to deliver barriers and gates that stands up to the quality that we promise. We also have lined up ancillary units that will support us in various outsourced manufacturing activities that will be part of our Make in India initiative. We promise to do our best and look forward to delighting you with our products and solutions. Thank you once again for your interest in Revroy. Let's aspire the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Arif. Thank you very much for letting people know as to what we intend to do. Thank you there. I now am delighted to invite our partners from TESi, Mr. Fabio Bianchi and Mr. Zubair Mohammed. May I request Mr. Bianchi to say a few words on the partnership with Revroy.
Okay, I think it can be. I think can be a good idea, but we must work together for understand exactly what we can do together.
Yeah, we had a very good experience with you in Endearing Partner. We had a very successful project there, and I think it's just the first step into great collaboration. So it's also nice to see that you are starting this company, and also the presentation was very good. So I think we have doing the good steps for the right collaboration.
Thank you, Zubair. Thank you very much, Fabio. Zubair, thank you very much for participating and demonstrating your support to Revroy and in particular to me. Thank you very much, gentlemen. May I now request our partner from PERCo, the one and only Yulia Babushkina. May I request Yulia to say a few words of a partnership with Revroy?
Hi, Ravi. Thank you so much. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Julia Babushkina, the one and only from PERCo, Russian leading manufacturer of security systems and equipment. I'm very honored to be here today and to participate in such an important day of the history of Revroy company. We at PERCo believe that the key success of every business is the people. And knowing the founders of Revroy for many years, we have no doubt that Revroy will not only reach all of its main goals, but for sure will outdo them. That we have totally no doubts about. We are also super proud of being partners with a company who knows how to turn its really high ambitions into true results. So I guess that today, with such a wide range of products presented and with such an experience and with such a strong team of specialists working for Revroy, Revroy would be definitely one of the top access solutions providers in India. And from our side, we would like to wish Revroy soonest reaching all of your best goals and ideas, to implement them with your new fresh starts and new directions of the company. And from our side as a partner, we will try to do our best to support you as much as possible.
Thank you, Yulia. Thank you very much. Those were very kind words. Also, a lot of encouragement for us to do even better. We promise to do that. And we now will listen to some of the stalwarts from the Indian industry. May we have the video of the greetings and messages that we have received from our very distinguished industry members.
Greetings. It gives me immense pleasure to know that the two icons of the industry, Mr. Ravi Shankar, Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan Sahab, have teamed and have brought about Revroy. Rev means revolution and Roy means king. And both of these gentlemen, who are the icons of the industry and known right across for their unimpeachable integrity and professional competence, they are just the right people to come out with this venture. They have hands-on experience, amazing, and also a backup of PERCo, a Russian multinational, which is an established leader in the industry. With their vast experience, their track record, I'm sure that this will be a new dimension in the world of industry, and they can be trusted for absolutely flawless and seamless planning, sales, and marketing. I wish all success to Revroy and the proud and illustrious founders, Mr. Ravi Shankar and Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan Sahab. God bless you. God bless Revroy.
"74 years of independence is a great moment over. We have stepped into the 75th year. We are looking for the next 25 years for India to reach 100 years of growth coming. And in all that, technology is going to drive in a large way for all sectors of economy. And this is in this context that whatever Ravi Shankar Tandavan has taken for Revroy initiative comes into sharp focus. I'm always impressed by whatever they do, but what is important is how it can help the whole issues of not only the fire protection and related safety issues on that, all that's required on doors and security related one, and anything that revolves the right level of technology in terms of efficiency and productivity, and also 100% security coming over there. The diversified applications that can come through the Revroy group is enormous, including possibly parking management, other related work, doors and various things and sliding, etc. And I want to wish them all the very best, because I am one who strongly believe that India's future lies in the young minds and the way in which they can gear up towards application of technologies, for bringing state-of-the-art technologies to be brought in over there for India's development. All my very best wishes.
It's a great pleasure for me to extend my wishes to the Revroy and company. Revroy, very of late I came to know that Rev means stands for the revolution and the Roy stands for the king or the leader. So I think this company is having a very tall vision to be the leader in this particular domain of automation. What they intend to do is disciplining the road traffic and the pedestrian traffic by way of using the technology and by way of using the automation. In addition to that, our airports are expanding. Our domestic airports are likely to be more into the numbers. So your baggage, scanning of the vehicles, people are willing to pay. People want the service. And to render that kind of a service, you need this kind of infrastructure, what Revroy is trying to promote. There are many players maybe in the line before, but this is something which in tandem or in line with the Make in India mission program of the Government of India. And this will really help to do the automation by using our brains and our technology and our people which will be rendering the services. Further good thing I noticed about the company from their profile, that they do not look at only hardware or only application or the software. They look at the composite comprehensive solution, and this solution they are going a mile ahead, that they want to render the best service, after sales service, which is a big problem with any automation technology that we buy and implement. So I think this is a great move, great initiative. And as I know, there are two partners. One is Mr. Ravi Shankar Khandavan and the other partner Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan, and the team of the top team that what they have, which I have seen on the profile. I think they will do a wonderful job, and maybe a few years down the line, they would be the leader as the name suggests, and they would really deliver 100% out of their ability and the company. And we will have an opportunity to have such a great technology partners into a private sector, which will help us in making our lives better. So with these few words, I wish the Ravi and his team, and in particular the company as a Revroy team, I wish them a great success, and I am keen to hear as to whenever I see the vibration of these names, when I travel through the different airports or roads, and when I say the Revroy technology, I will feel proud that yes, I was some part or some nucleus of their promotion program when they launched this particular company. So once again, I thank the team and wish them a great success ahead. Thank you so much.
Hello, Ravi and Liaquat. Congratulations on coming together and starting Revroy. I know Ravi and Liaquat personally for the last decade or so. They're both legends of the security and safety industry in India. It is nice of them to come together and start Revroy for the purpose of improving the access control sector, especially related to movement of people and vehicles, which is a much needed area and much untapped area in India. So congratulations once again, Ravi and Liaquat.
Ravi, heartiest congratulations for Revroy. I'm very glad with this initiative. Considering professionalism in you, the amount of work you've already done for the industry, I'm very sure this new Indian brand Revroy will be setting the new benchmarks in solution and implementation delivery. This is surely going to set standards that others will love and envy, that how they should reach at that level where Revroy is. My all the best to you. Keep rocking.
Yeah, this is to convey my best wishes to Ravi Shankar and his team for the wonderful work they are doing for safety, security of the world and for the new venture. And there are many new ventures they are starting, and each venture has got something very great to contribute. And this is my best wishes to him and his team to make this another success story. Thank you.
I'm happy to learn that two industry stalwarts, Ravi Shankar and Liaquat Ali Khan, have come together to set up Revroy. Their decision to start a local manufacturing unit in Bangalore to tap into this growing security market of India is just the right direction by following the Make in India program and also coming out with cost-effective solutions in the field of security arena. I wish them all the best in their endeavor and wish them success.
Hey Ravi, delighted to hear about your new venture and operations. With your kind of experience, I am without any doubt more than confident that you will be extremely successful. So here's wishing you and your team at Revroy all the very best. Good luck, my friend.
Ravi, congratulations on your new venture, Revroy, as the name says, wonderful name. And you are a great entrepreneur, Ravi. Wherever you go, you create records. Like they say, in adversity, you either break down or break records. You have always broken records. I wish you all the best, Ravi. Fly high, climb the mountain, and put your jhanda there. Congratulations, good wishes, blessings. God bless. Bye.
Hi, I'm Prashant Gurraj from Design Tree Service Consultants. I have always found it very easy to discuss technical matters and design issues either with Ravi Shankar or with Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan. I wish you both a wonderful journey and successful entrepreneurship in the future endeavors of yours. Revroy, all the best.
Dear Ravi, I'm so happy for you. With your determination and pursuance, there's nothing that you cannot overcome. The brand Revroy will be an alternate name for movement controls. I strongly believe that. You will make this company highly successful and meet every customer expectations and deliveries. Wish you all the very best, my friend, and congratulations once again. Thank you.
Well, they were, some of the leading industry stalwarts who spoke, supporting our initiative and wishing us all the very best. With that done, now I would like to play the presentation that Mr. Zubair Mohammed has prepared, for this evening. Zubair, would you like to say something before this presentation is played?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Would you like to say something before the presentation is played here?
I just hope that you enjoy it and you have some questions, you can just contact me or Revroy.
Very well, very well. If we receive any comments or questions to your presentation, we will forward them to you for your answers. So could we have Mr. Zubair Mohammed's presentation of the TESi solutions, please?
I am Zubair Mohammed, Technical Business Developer for TESi, and I will give you a very short 7-minute introduction about TESi and their business. We design access control security systems, and our job begin with the definition of the requirements. Often, security system is a very complex field, and it's not easy to understand which are the requirements and which are the products available on the market to solve a problem. So we help our clients to find those solutions. If there is no solution on the market, we can design it and we can make it for the client. We also take care of the installation and everything that is after the sales. Like maintenance is made by our local partners that are close to the site. Our client is mainly data centers, airports, embassy, or main offices of big corporations. TESi was founded 25 years ago in Italy, and it is still located here. We do all the engineering and production here close to Milan. All products are all based on the highest European quality standards and all the safety requirements. In the last 4 years, we started to bring our solutions in other European countries. And just last year, thanks to our partners in India, we started to bring our technology also in Asia. How we do it? So there is a classic vision of physical security, and it's a trade-off between style as design and security. This means that if we want a high security system, then we have to accept some compromise on the style side. But our vision is a bit different. What we do is that we put the security in the core of our products. To do that, we work with the main banks in Europe to define the security levels and the security standards. At the end, we have to care also about the style of the door, since they are usually on the facade, on the main entrance of the building. They have to follow some requirements based on the area. For instance, if the building is in a business district, usually architects have some regulation that they have to follow. So with our products, it's a lot easier because you have a well-designed and distinguished element that you don't have to hide, but you can use it as a decoration. So we started to redesign the systems. So on the left, you can see a very old design made by one of our competitor, And on the right, you can see how our design. So these two doors, they have the same security level, but they are just designed with a different approach. You can see how our design has more light inside, it's more welcoming, it's clear, and it's more elegant. So this is an approach that can satisfy our clients, that satisfy the security office and also their architects. So here in this picture you can see some of our products and how they fit in a data center. For instance, you will see on the facade of the building there is a very elegant and stylish door, and that's not a normal swing door and we are used to see, but it is a security door. So there is another door on top here in this point, and this is a glass made emergency exit door. So this is another example on how you can have security and style design in the same product. That's because we use very nice developed materials to build these products. On the top right corner you will see these bomb-proof walls, and this is where the core of the data center is located. We make these walls, they are made of steel and they are bomb-proof. There is also this door, and we actually had a few cases where they tried to break into these walls using bombs, and they worked quite well. There are also other products in this picture, but just to be short and can't go to all of them, you can visit our website and find anything you need, or you can just contact me or our partners. So now I will show you our client portfolio. We are working now with the main banks in the world. We can see JP Morgan. We started with them last year there in India. We work with Intesa Sanpaolo, Unicredit, and a lot of main European banks. We also build data centers and facilities for very big groups. We worked for airports, petrol companies, and other brands. So we have a wide portfolio, and we are also looking forward to expand our business in other countries. So we are looking for clients and partners. If you have any question, please contact me or our local partners. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Zubair, for providing that presentation this evening. Thank you very much. Now may I ask Yulia Babushkina to say a few words and play their video.
Thank you, Ravi. I guess that today, basically every participant of this event would agree with me that partnership is about two parties minimum being involved in the whole process. So for us, it's an honor. For lots of participants from India, it is quite obvious why we could choose Revroy for being our representative. But now we would also love everyone to see why Revroy chose us as PERCo to be presented in India, because if I would keep talking, that could take a lot of time, and being very, very far around the world for everyone, it's much better to see everything with your own eyes. So I guess that with our short video about the company, you would get the vision why Revroy chose PERCo, what we do, how we do. And once those crazy times are over and all the borders are open again, we would love to see everyone at our training center, or welcome you at our plants to see the quality of production yourself, to see the design. And I'm glad it's the same as TeSi. I guess that Revroy, now I know that you're choosing the partners with not only proficiency, but style, which is very important for us. So I'm very glad to be partners with you, and yeah, the rest will the video say.
Thank you, Yulia. I think very, 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 very valid points that you made. I think we're all waiting for the borders to open up so that we could travel. We could travel to Russia, PERCo in Russia. We could send our engineers there. We could send our engineers to TeSi or vice versa, bring them here. There's a lot of activity that is just waiting to happen. And we look forward to things, yeah, absolutely, keeping our fingers crossed. We look forward to things improving very quickly. And with that said, could we have the PERCo video, please? Thank you there.
PERCo is a leading Russian manufacturer of security systems and equipment. High product quality is ensured by 30 years of experience. Our equipment is presented in 88 countries worldwide. More than 20 million people pass through PERCo turnstiles in banks, schools, universities, hospitals, museums, airports, at stadiums and factories every day. PERCo produces security systems and equipment on a turnkey basis, including turnstiles, locks, electronics and software. It ensures reliable and coordinated operation of all system components. The company's success history started in 1988. PERCo mainly defined security market development in Russia, was the first company in Russia to produce a turnstile, proximity card reader, and the first one to start serial production of security equipment. Nowadays, production and office space occupies 23,000 square meters. Equipment is produced at our own manufacturing plant in Pskov. Company produces security systems based on modern technologies. Manufacturing plant is equipped with highly precise machinery by leading world producers. PERCo manufacturing plant is specialized on serial production. Modern equipment and multi-level quality control at the plant allows PERCo to offer a 5-year warranty on all product range. Most of the operations are automated and do not require human participation. Modern metalworking machines ensure frequency and precision of produced details, which guarantees a high quality of final products. Surface and paint preparation line provides reliable operation of products in various climate conditions and guarantees an attractive product appearance. Reliability of system operation is ensured by the robotic production line of electronics. High quality standards are approved by ISO International certification. During the final production stage, products are tested and controlled once again, and only afterwards are sent to the warehouse. All new products go through necessary electric safety, endurance and environmental testings, as well as they are tested in various weather conditions. Product development, marketing, sales, training and technical support departments are located at PERCo headquarters in St. Petersburg. Each year, new products are added to the company product range. Among them are security systems, controllers and readers, speed gates, tripod turnstiles for indoor and outdoor application, full height turnstiles and swing gates to ensure increased security level, box tripod turnstiles and IP styles. All PERCo products are developed internally by company specialists. Marketing department studies customer demands so that new products meet current market needs. PERCo regularly participates in various exhibitions in Russia and abroad, in Great Britain, UAE, France, Italy, Germany. The company produces videos, booklets, catalogues, offers examples of solutions in order to get out our message of PERCo products across the customers. There are warehouses opened in Russia, Estonia and the Netherlands. 10 regional warehouses are operated by our partners. The technical support department and a network of certified service centres provides after-sales support and warranty repair. For PERCo, it is important that products meet customer challenges. That is why partner and user trainings are organized in 5 various languages. PERCo Training Center has trained thousands of qualified installers and users in Russia and abroad. PERCo today means export to 88 countries worldwide, modern manufacturing plant, warehouses in Russia and the EU, training and support, more than 500 qualified specialists, and a 5-year warranty on all product range. PERCo is a leading manufacturer of security systems and equipment.
Thank you, Yulia. Thank you. That was a lovely presentation. We also picked a few from there in order to represent what we do. Thank you there. And keeping to time, we come towards the close of this launch program. Thank you all for participating in this. I request Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan, the founder of, co-founder of Revroy, to deliver his vote of thanks. Liaquat Ali Khan, please.
Thank you, Ravi. Good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. We are delighted to have had so many participants this evening for the launch of our company, Revroy. As has been presented by Ravi Shankar Thandavan in no uncertain terms, that we are here to make a difference to the way business is being done. We are here to transform business to endearing partnerships. Talking of partnerships, we thank our partners, Yulia, Dimitri, and Hassan from PERCo, Russia, Fabio and Zobir of TESi, our partners from Italy, not just for their participation this evening, but to the great support we have received from them thus far. We are sure our customers' support will not just enhance the business, but will only strengthen our all-round partnerships. I also take this opportunity to thank the Industry Stalwarts for their blessings and well wishes. What you heard this evening is right from the bottom of their hearts. With such positivity, success for us and our customers is certain. We are in depth of Mr. V. Suresh, Dr. Vikram Singh, Mr. M.V. Deshmukh, Mr. Pramod Rao, Mr. N.S. Narendra, Dr. P. Suresh, Mr. Arun Khazanchi, Mr. Gary Singh, Mr. Prashant Gururaj, Mr. Prasad Patil, and Mr. Jajit Singh Rajkumar, and of course, Mr. K.P. Dominic. I must thank Dominic, who has run this launch campaign like it was his own company, while the fact of the matter is, it is as much ours as it is his. Thank you, Dominic, Lakshmi, and Keshav, our Blue and Grey, for the support. I also thank our designer Mayank of Mars Web Solutions for putting us on the World Wide Web. You can log into www.revroy.in, or that's our website. Martin worked closely with Ravi and translated his ideas into creating our corporate video and our products portfolio booklet. We thank our auditors, Bharat Venkatraman of Venkatraman Associates, for helping us with setting up Revroy. Last but not the least, we simply can't thank you, the participants, enough for your presence here this evening. This only demonstrates your intent to know us better. We are sure with the good wishes you bring here with you, Revroy is bound to receive success all the way. Thank you once again and wish you all a safe life and also a happy Diwali in advance. Thank you so much.
Happy Diwali to everyone. Thank you, Yulia. Thank you, Fabio. Thank you, Zubair.
Thank you very much.
Thank you all very much for being there this evening for us. And now let's begin our work here. And we promise to keep you busy.
I have no doubt.
Thank you very much. See you all. Good evening to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anwar. Thank you, Arif. Thank you, Liaquat. Thank you, Dominic. And thank you, the backend team, Lakshmi, Mamata, Keshav. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good man.
Thank you so much, all of you.
Bye-bye.